All right, so let's talk about building a rocket.
Okay, first you need an engine. Then you need a skinny black piece. It's like a circle. Put it on top like that. Now you need a black piece. It's like a cylinder.
Do you need to blow your nose?
No.
Sounds like you do. All right, so what's next?
Now you need two of these.
I'm sorry, show me again what? Okay, look, gray bars, okay.
Gray and white bars.
Okay, now what are you putting on?
Now we need this piece.
What kind of piece is it?
A ball or a fairy.
Gotcha.
Now you need this piece, a flat white circle. Now you need 4 of these landing legs.
So like one of these?
Yeah.
Okay. There you are.
Now you need 2 of these. Now you need 1 of this.
Okay.
Now you need 2 of these for the holes. Now you need this piece with no holes.
Okay.
Now you need 4 of these.
What are those? I can't see.
Those are to hold the grid fins and
Can I see?
the
A little L bracket things.
air conditioner. And so the bottom over here is the air conditioner. Just put it on very carefully. It's like a robot head. Make it like a robot head. Now, you can put these parts for the grid fins.
What are they? Can I see what part? Oh, I see. should probably blow your nose.
Saying that because you've drank before and it tastes good. Okay?
Okay.
Now, put it on. Now you need one of this.
One of what? I can't see. Okay.
Now you need this to make a brick. Now you need two of these. Now you need one of this.
What's that? Can I see? Okay. Okay, more of the cylinders.
Now you need
How many?
what does 8 plus 8 equal?
Well, you tell me.
16?
Yeah, that's right.
You need 16 of these. Put 8 on each side. Just put. No, you need 8 of these.
So you just need 8, not 16.
Oh. Yeah, we need 16. No, we need 8. Put them together, and now you need this piece. Now you need if you need some help, that's okay. I will show you how it looks like. Now, put it over here. Now you need a black piece.
Okay.
Then 4 of the RCS.
Can I see the RCS? Oh, it's an RCS. Oh, okay. Oop, those little flower things. Okay. So that's going to be your RCS.
Yes.
And those are going to go all around on the black.
Now you need this engine.
Can I see the engine? Okay, I see.
It's like a command module. Now put it on the bottom of the black piece. Now you need 2 of these.
2 more cylinders.
2 more walls. 2 more walls.
Gotcha.
Now you need frisbees. Now detach it to the core. It's very hard to put on because of the effect doesn't fit flat because I put one that the engine doesn't fit.
Gotcha. Next time we record, you're gonna have to blow your nose first.
Now you need one of this, 4 of these, 4 of these.
Okay, you went too fast. Can I see those? 4, so 4 of these and 4 of these. So white and gray.
Yes. Now you need this piece.
Okay. Okay, can I see that? What you did? Can... Cool.
Now you need this piece.
Like a ring?
Yes, like a ring. This is going to be for the entry bulb.
Okay.
So inside here is the re-entry. Now, you need to put the blue piece on the core. Because I forgot. That was a mistake on the Demo 2 building.
Okay. So what's left?
Now you need this piece.
Which piece?
And now you need a white cone, white cone. Put it together. This is the other rocket's command module. Now you need this. So this is to protect the re-entry bulb, but I forgot to put it on. So I'm gonna put it on. Okay. I'm gonna put the re-entry bulb on. Okay.
Okay. Are you able to find it?
I'm able to find it.
All right. So what part was that? I
The
see.
re-entry bulb.
Oh, a re-entry bulb. I see. Okay. Cool. All right, let's see the finished product. Let's see the finished rocket. Whoa.
Yes. My mistake was the re-entry bulb.
It's okay. You fixed it. Let's show it. Can you show me the entire thing? What do you call it?
Demo 2 Dragon. Falcon 9. This is a Lego Falcon 9 Dragon. Lego Falcon 9 Dragon. Okay.
Cool, buddy.
Fine.
Okay, so that's after it separates.
Then when it is out of fuel. Let's try separate this because this is a little tricky. Oh, it doesn't want to come off. There we go.
Okay, and then this is the cabin.
This is the This is the launch escape system.
Oh, gotcha.
So the launch escape system is in two parts. Trunk, the command module. The astronauts go inside the almost very top of the launch escape system.
But they're not in the launch escape system. They're in the...
For the capsule. So, but for the almost very top of the launch escape system.
Cool. All right. High five. I love it.
And then
Oh, I'm sorry, it's not done.
the trunk carries cargo. So when this separates, the command module enters through the atmosphere. I know the re-entry bulb doesn't want to come off. So we're happy about that.
Cool. High five. I love it. Can I get a high five?
And then the capsule carries astronauts, and then the nose cone is on the very, very, very top of the launch escape system. The launch escape system can't separate.
Cool. I love it.
Solar panels are at the almost very bottom of the launch escape system on the back.
Very cool.